a document. Hindi ko masyado mabasa. Mahina na yung ano ko mata ko Ito ang nakalagay. General Gregorio Pio Katapang, Director General, Bureau of Corrections, NBP, Muntinlupa City, through Angelina Bautista. Mr. Chair, is this Angelina Bautista, the Angie Bautista, as the person that I am referring to today?
Opo, sir.
It says that you are the executive assistant to the Director General, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Are
Your
you?
Honor, Mr. Chair.
Right now you are, right?
Yes po, yun po yung plantilla ko,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Subject. Request entry of recreational units and sports materials for the Barangay Masagana. Date, March 14, 2023. Sir, respectfully requesting your good office the entry of the recreational units and sports materials of Barangay Masagana. Ito nakalagay. 1 set of billiard table. 2 set unit of BDOke. 3 sets of mahjong table. 1 unit speaker. May mga bilyaran, Mr. Chair. BDOke, pati mahjong table. Alright. Pinirmahan ni PDL ang dilanggalan. I would like to ask whoever, it might be Director General Katapang or Angie Bautista to answer this right now.
Your Honor, can I answer po?
Okay? Sige, Mr. Chair.
Kaya po naka-through po sa akin yung letter po ng mga PDL. Ako po kasi yung officer in charge ng NBP.
Kaya nga, understandable na yan Ang tanong ganito, nakapasok ba itong mga to sa Bilibid?
Ang nakapasok po dyan, sir, yung billiard table, video okay, and speaker.
Oh, yeah. Okay, billiard table at videoke. Ito ba ay dapat ipasok?
Yes, sir po, kasi recreational po nila yan. At marami na pong nakapasok doon.
Recreational. Director General Katapang, will you please answer this also? And according to your own opinion, sapagkat nasabi po ng iyong deputy, yes sir, recreational equipment po ito, bilyaran at videoke.
Mr. Chair, yung recreational facility o equipment is yung videoke. Ginagamit po nila yan pag nagma-mass gathering sila. Kailangan nila ng loudspeaker o mga lalaking speaker. Pero I'm not sure kung allowed po yung bilyaran. Pero nakita naman nila dun sa visitation o Senate inquiry, may mga bilyaran po nandun.
Ang balita ko, Director General, nakalusot din yung yung mahjong table Ang laki-laki nun pero nakalusot din yung mahjong table Anyway, ito, meron pa isa. Yung din date, March 2 naman to, 2023. Mga cooking materials, pati mga bawal na tinidor, nakapasok. Through Madam Angelina Bautista. Director General Katapang, meron po ba kayong alam dito?
Before the Bucor Chief answered the query about the pork and spoon, so we will be recognizing Congresswoman Agapos.
Meron po ba kayo alam dito, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I don't have knowledge about that.
Director General, hindi ba dapat alam mo lahat ang nangyayari sa Bucor?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I should know everything what's happening inside the Bucor.
Mr. Chair, naipangako mo kanina na gagawin mo ang lahat na magagawa mo para masolve lahat ang mga problemang ito.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
I would like to tell the Bucor leadership, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, nahaharap sila sa budget hearing. Kahit ayaw ko, baka maapektahan ng budget ninyo. Ano masasabi mo, Director General Katapang?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, in as much as I have to really go down up to the level of the tactical, I will have to do that. Ako na rin po ang mag-inspect lahat ng papasok na gamit doon. Dahil kung ganyan po nangyayari, wala na po tayo mapagkatiwalaan. I have to do it on my own just to really satisfy you that I'm really doing my best. Kung kailangan bilangin lahat yung papasok na yan, ako mismo magmaman ng gate 5 o gate 4 para bilangin lahat yung papasok na kargamento, kung may mga hardware equipment, ako na rin po tatayo dyan, Mr. Chair.